At the end of the day, the reason that you're not seeing the growth that you want on YouTube right now is simply because you're not giving the algorithm what it wants. In addition to that, your mindset's probably holding you back. In fact, I talk to so many small creators every single day, and it's their mindset or the algorithm that's holding them back. And that's exactly why we're gonna do a deep dive into both of those things in this video. I'm gonna make it incredibly simple for you. In fact, I'm gonna try to make this the shortest video I've ever uploaded to YouTube, because if you simply understand the things that I share with you, it's gonna unlock a huge amount of growth for you on YouTube. But if you fail to understand either the mindset things or the algorithm things that I share with you in this video, it's going to be the reason that you fail to grow on YouTube and ultimately end up quitting. In fact, these tips are so potent that they just helped this creator gain 100,000 subscribers, this creator 200,000, and this creator over 250,000 subscribers, and the same exact thing can happen to you if you simply implement the tips I'm about to share with you. That being said, before we can dive into that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free YouTube growth course, so you get the link in the pinned comment below, and here's my phone number. I strongly suggest you hit me up if you're trying to grow quicker on YouTube. I can't wait to help you grow. For starters, we need to talk about the mindset through which you're actually approaching YouTube, because there's a loser's mindset, which a lot of you probably have, and a winner's mindset. The winner's mindset doesn't care about setbacks. They don't care about how well or how bad their past video performed. In fact, all they care about if you're a winner on YouTube is how are you going to make your next video better. You shouldn't think about yesterday, you shouldn't think about the past, you shouldn't even be thinking about today. You should be thinking about the video you're gonna put out tomorrow, the video you're gonna put out next week, 2 weeks from now, and how you're actually going to make that better. And the way that you do this is you need to constantly be growing. You need to be investing in yourself. You need to be finding out what titles are working better, how to actually keep an audience watching your stuff, or you need to be hyper focused on what your audience actually wants. And we're about to cover the 3 tactical things, but first I need to make sure that your mindset is of a growth mindset and where you're going to be focused on just making your next video better, not how bad your past video performed. You can go back and look at every creator that you look up to, and I strongly suggest you do this. Scroll back to their last video, look at how bad they were. The only reason that they got from there to where they currently are is because they got better every single day and didn't harp on the times where their videos did bad, they got a copyright strike, or whatever other bad things might have happened to them. Okay, so essentially there are 3 things that the algorithm cares about, and only 3 things. The first thing is that you understand the audience that you're trying to reach. By this, you need to actually be choosing video topics that those people are gonna be interested in, and this is 100% based off of the watch history. If you don't know what that means, it basically, the YouTube algorithm is going to look at a viewer. So they look at you. When you log into YouTube right now, I bet you that the majority of things that you're seeing are things that you have watched videos on before in the past, something complementary to something that you've watched in the past, or from creators that you were subscribed to or you've interacted with their content. I guarantee it, in fact, and that's exactly how YouTube works. So you need to look at this from that frame. You need to go and look at the videos that your viewers are watching and then create content based off of that. In addition, you need to make sure that your thumbnails and your titles are better than those videos, because those are the videos that they're going to be showing up next to. And if you actually look at your YouTube homepage, there might be 6 videos up there, but you only choose to watch 1. And you probably choose to watch the one that means the most to you in that moment. So you need to make sure that you actually understand your audience by looking at their view history, looking at the things that they're watching, the things that they're clicking on, and begin basing your content off of that. Because if you just go based off of what they're telling you, you're not going to get the full picture. The second thing that matters when it comes to the YouTube algorithm is winning the click. And this means having the right thumbnail and having the right title. Again, you can base this off of past history. I need you guys to understand something. If you see a video within your niche that got 100,000 views, it probably got 20 times the amount of impressions on that. So if you try to improve that title and improve that thumbnail, the pool of potential viewers is way bigger than that 100,000. And that's exactly what I strongly recommend that you do. Way too many creators try to recreate the wheel every single time that they post. Instead, what I recommend you do, look at your competitors, look at your past videos, see how they performed from that thumbnail, from that title, and then just try to improve on that. You shouldn't be starting from scratch with a thumbnail. You should be taking somebody else's thumbnail or your own thumbnail and making it better. The same thing comes with your titles. You should be trying to make them more sensationalized, leading to bigger results or invoking more curiosity, and this is going to allow you to grow quicker on YouTube if you implement the last thing I'm about to share with you. And that is that you need to keep the viewer watching. And in the past, this meant having a lot of watch time on your videos, but that's not the case anymore. Now you need to have a lot of watch time on your videos, you need to have people returning to your videos, and you need to make sure that your session durations are high. In fact, I just dropped a video that's absolutely perfect that will teach you how to keep your session durations high, so I strongly suggest you check that one out after watching this one. But essentially, you need to be focused on those 3 things. If you're not growing fast on YouTube right now, it's probably because you're only focusing on one of them. And one of the easiest ways for you to determine what videos keep people coming back is, again, going into your analytics and seeing which videos have your past viewers come and watch another video. Those topics are great, those thumbnails are great, those links on that content are great, and I strongly suggest you continue making content on that. In addition, you guys need to understand something. You can implement everything that I've shared with you in this video, from the mindset things to the 3 tricks when it comes to the algorithm, but if you're not posting at the right time on YouTube, it's going to be the reason that you're not successful, which is exactly why I created this video right here. So I strongly suggest you go check it out right now. It's going to tell you the best time to post on YouTube to ensure that your videos are successful. What are you waiting for? Go check it out. Click here right now and I'll see you over there.